Okay, with my man Sash. He will be assisting us in the shop, assisting you, guiding you on these products, but we're going to go on to the CBD pain. So this is a blend of, it's actually been one of our best sellers and some of the best results that we've had. I think it's because of the amount of people that suffer with different forms of inflammation, whether it's from sports, whether it's arthritis, or even gut inflammation. It tends to make a big difference, affecting people's mood, their energy, and various things like that. So with our CBD pain, we've got the broad spectrum CBD. We've got a 600 milligrams, so it's quite high. You're going to look to take 5 to 10 drops in the morning, 5 to 10 drops at night. It doesn't have any THC, so you can use it during the day. And it's really to help the body, help give the body what it needs to reduce that inflammation. The inflammation is the precursor to a lot of the pain, and especially what we've seen in a lot of back pain cases and things like spondylitis and spondylosis, if I got that right. We get amazing results. Like people, actually one off the top of my head, we have some guys that are taking the pain drops for one thing, and then they realize, their back pain's gone. They find they're sleeping a little bit better.
With the pain, we're finding it doesn't just treat a symptom. You're treating your whole system with this. So you're getting the pain relief throughout the system, and you're getting that nice balance where the pain, you're not just taking one ache away, you're actually reducing pain throughout the body. And that's what you really want. You want that clarity of thought. You don't want to be dealing with pain every day and then trying to deal with someone else when they might be irritating you and you could just be triggering. This helps reduces the triggers, help reduce that pain management. Amazing product. Gets us.
Just, I don't know, I keep going to these extra notes. But also on the side note, the amount of anti-inflammatories that are being prescribed today, we see a hell of a lot of people coming in here told that and being told that they need to take anti-inflammatories for the rest of their life. Just for those people, note that you don't have to. We've actually had some people go off their anti-inflammatories and switch to the CBD pain. CBD's anti-inflammatory benefits are incredible, and with the boost of these added terpenes in there to enhance its anti-inflammatory ability, it's just been phenomenal. So really come and give it a go. One of these bottles would last you between a month and 2 months. And it's really it's an investment into your body. It's putting the right things in to help reduce inflammation, not just in one place, but all over. It will find the inflammation and sort of reduce it and give us a better quality of life. We've got a shot.